I think today for the menu, we're going to do turnip green soup, aka swamp stew. So, there's 100 different ways to do it. We're going to do it my way. We got a andouille and a kielbasa here. So we're going to rip those in half. I like a little bit of meat in every bite. This is pretty simple. You can add corn to it, whatever kind of seasonings you like. You can use cans of mixed seasoned greens. You can use fresh greens. It can be anything you want it to be. Me, I had that half a pan of leftover cornbread, so I thought soup day. All right. Kirby pork's always a little tricky. Now we're going to fry this about halfway done. Then we're going to throw in our onions and our 2 big cloves of garlic we got. Slippery. Let's go get this on some fire. And for those of you food prep Nazis out there, I did not wash those, but I did wash my cans of food. So 1 medium large onion, whatever you have. I happen to have a medium one. I always fry my onions and garlic together. A lot of people like to do them different. However you do it's fine. Kind of sticky. Somebody asked how I cut the end of my finger off the other day. I should have told them with my cleaver. All right, now other than this are seasonings, just salt and pepper, Creole seasoning, Cajun, whatever you like to add. Most of it's just going to be canned dumpling, then we're going to boil it for about an hour, so should be good. I'll bring you guys back after it's browned. All right, we got our sausage about halfway browned. That's when I like to add my onions and my garlic and stuff. Then we're going to use our chicken stock to deglaze here in a minute once our onions get translucent. Smelling great though. All right, now we're going to deglaze. A little bit of our stock. Get all our good stuff off the bottom of the pot. And I'll go over there and we'll dump the rest in and we'll cook him a half hour. All right, we've got it browned off. We got a nice rich brown broth from deglazing. So we'll scoot this up here where you can see, and we'll start dumping. 2 cans of navy beans is what I like in mine. You can put whatever kind of beans you want in there. 2 cans of Hatch green chili and tomatoes. These are mild, they ain't hot. Two cans of bean and bacon soup, if it'll come out. I need a spoon. I need to start stabbing holes in cans like you guys said. That'll help us out with some more of that smoky flavor. And turnip greens, we'll pop out those. Now this stuff does look pretty gnarly, I'll give you that, but it's good. Then we're going to add the rest of our quart of stock to it. And we'll taste as we go. But if you don't like greens, this one probably ain't for you. This is a whole quart of chicken stock. I have another one on standby in case my fluids cook out, but I don't look for it until in half an hour. So, there's what kind of craziness we got right now. It'll come together. Here's what we got, folks. And that is turnip green soup or swamp soup. Got a bowl. Gotta have that cornbread. Now, if you like greens, this is your jam. Turnip greens, smoky, meaty. Get some of that juice and try it. Cold day, snow on the ground, any day of the week. Now you can put corn, whatever you want in it. Me personally, I don't like corn in soup. But Tara, swamp soup, Gary style. I recommend it if you like greens. If you don't like turnip greens, you may want to use mixed greens or something. Good though.